A very good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. I'm Veena, your a maths teacher working at Dr. Beeson English Medium School. Okay, children. Today I'm going to introduce our maths lab. Are you interested, children? Are you ready? Yes? Yes. Now I will show you some interesting things in our maths lab. What are these, children? Do you observe what are these? These are called name cards, number cards. Okay, children? Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, children, what are these? These are number cards. Another interesting one I will show you. What are these, children? These are called place value cards. Okay, children? Say this, children. This is ones and this is tens. Say this, children. Next, and this is hundreds. Very interesting cards now, children. Next, I will show you fraction cards. Say this, children. Out of 5 parts, two parts are colored. So, the fraction is 2/5. 2/5. Out of 4 parts, two parts are shaped. So, the fraction is 2/4. Understand, children? So, like this, we can learn. See, children, how colorful our maths lab is. Number of models are there here. We can learn maths with very fun and in an easy way we can learn maths now. Understand, children? Yes? In the upcoming classes, we have to learn these. Okay, children? See this, children, what is this? This is called a protractor. What is this, children? This is a set square. Now I will show you some geometrical instruments which are available in your compass box, geometry boxes. See children, this is called compass and this is divider and this is a scale. With the help of the scale we used to draw lines, right? Very good. What is this children? Do you observe what is this? Have you seen before? No? This is abacus. So many different fun activities are there here children. Are you interested to learn all these? Are you eager to come to school? See children, many interesting cards are there here. In Bison School, we can learn maths in a unique way. In a unique way, we can learn with fun-based. See all these cards, children. Hope you all like it. Yes, children. I hope you all liked it. Next, I will hand over to another teacher, Krishnaveni ma'am, to introduce the Maths Lab. Okay, children? Thank you one and all. Bye, children.
Hello children, how are you all? Fine, good. This is Krishnaveni, your maths teacher from Dr. Bison School. Today I am going to introduce you all our Maths Lab. Our Maths Lab has a well furnished and equipped maths equipments which are very useful and essential for your maths learning concepts. Okay, so let us see what we are going to see here in our Maths Lab. Here in this rack we have all the shapes which are there in your studies, right? So there are 2D shapes as well as 3D shapes. I'll show you some of their 2D shapes here. See, these are the 2-dimensional shapes, right? So these are all 2-dimensional shapes and these are all the 3-dimensional shapes. See, this is a sphere, this is a cylinder, this is a cone, prism, right? Semicircle, cube, cuboid, every equipment is very well explained and clearly shown to you to learn the maths concepts. Yes, as we know that maths is a very terrible concept to everyone, but maths is always a fun to learn. See here, maths is nothing but it's a mistake allows thinking to happen. Mathematics is a tool specially suited for dealing with abstract concepts for any kind and there is no limit to its power in this field. Yes or no? Yes, everyone should learn with mistakes only. So without mistakes, you are not at all a perfect in mathematics. See, let us introduce our lattice multiplication, which is a very convenient multiplication for you all to learn. This is a 2 by 2 multiplication. What you need to do is you have to create a lattice like this. First 37 into 56 I want to explain you. See, this is a 2 by 2 multiplication. As I said, 37 should be written like this and 56 should be written like this. And after that, how to do this multiplication? Means first we have to multiply this 5 with 7. So what is 5 into 7? Yes, it is 35. How to write this 35? As we have bisected this lattice in this diagonal shapes, so first 3 should be written at the top and the 5 should be written at the bottom. So 5 sevens are gives you 35. Move on to the next one. 3 fives are. 3 fives is how much, children? 15. Yes. How should we write 15? 1, 5. Now, let us multiply with the 6. Right? 6 sevens is how much? It's 42. 4, 2, 42. 6 threes is how much? It's 18. 1, 8. Now, you have to calculate, add all the dimensional digits as a sum here. See here, only 2 is left over. Write 2 here. Now, add all the diagonal digits which you are observing in the lattice. So, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is a 2-digit number. So, write only the single digit 7 here. And 1 will be carried forward to the next dimension. See here, 1 plus 3 makes you 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 is again a 2-digit. So 0 should be written here. 1 is carried forward to the next dimension. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. And finally the answer, what we need to write? Yes, except 3, 7 and 5, 6, we should write all the digits which you are observing outside of the dimension. 2072. Like that we will follow all the lattice multiplication, right? I hope you have understood. Let us move on to our well-furnished books with the fun activities and everything are given for us. So let us see what is there in these books. Yes, we need to learn some patterns also, patterns in numbers, patterns in shapes, everything is very well given for you to learn more and more. So those who are interested in mathematics can show their interest in our Max Lab. We have each and every tool for you to learn, right? So there are so many examples to learn and practice sheets are also given for you to learn more about mathematics. Now, let us move on to our mathematicians who has introduced our max concepts. See here, he is one of the George Cantor. He was born in 1845 and died in 1918, right? He introduced sets which you are going to learn in your higher studies. Am I clear? Yes. So now, and there are more and more fun activities for you to analyze your thinking capabilities. See, these are the pictures and fun pictures for you to learn more and more. Actually, we know that you can observe only the elephant picture, right? But there are so many pictures are immersed in this figure, right? So these are the fun way mathematics to learn more and more. Let's move on to our shapes also. Yes? Now move on to these all are the equipments to learn about circle, rectangle, how to calculate their areas, everything are given clearly. So this is called as a parallelogram which you are going to learn in your further studies, right? So rhombus and this is used to calculate the area of the triangle, right? So these are the parts of a circle and we need to learn so many circles and concentric circles are also there. Circle and its parts are also there to learn practically. Actually, till now we have learned our maths in a book way manner. Now we are going to learn practically how the circle and its parts are bisected and how we are going to learn the circle and its parts are introduced here practically, right? So there are so many things to be learned here. More and more activities and pictures are given, right? So these all are introduced for you in your further studies. Okay, so see, observe each and every shapes here which are clearly given. These are useful for you to calculate the areas of all the parallelograms, rhombus, everything, right? So many shapes are also given like pentagon shapes, semicircles, square, triangle, everything is clearly given to learn more and more, right? So let us move on to our 3D shapes. See here, this is a cuboid, yes? And these are the different models for you to know the shapes that are used in our maths, right? So come to here. So this is a cylinder and this is a cone. Models of cones are there. And coming to this, here is a sphere, which is a 3D figure, right? Sphere is a 3D figure or not? Yes. And cone is also there and its parts you are going to learn further in your higher studies. Okay? sample base. On a sample base, I am introducing everything for you to know what are there in our Max Lab. Okay. So there are so many semicircles, cylinder, and these are called the Riemann triangles. Okay. These are the models. Everything are clearly given for you to learn. I hope everyone has an eagerness to learn maths now, right? Till now you are scared of mathematics. Now you are showing some interest to learn. So this is a Riemann triangle, okay? And see, these are the Riemann triangles, okay? And these are the models, okay? See, these are the Riemann triangles. Different models are given. I hope everyone has the interest now to learn mathematics, right? Yes. Okay. Some age detectors are also given for you to learn how to calculate the age and on which date you were born, right? These are the age detectors to detect your age when you are born, on which day you are born. Okay, and these are the areas of a plus b plus c whole square. You are going to learn in your further studies. Just have a look what are there in our Max Lab, right? Very colorfully and pictorially given for you to learn practically. I hope everyone are observing clearly our Max Lab. Very colorful now. Yes, children, please watch each and every corner of our Max Lab. Yes. Okay. Yes, children. See here, these are the concentric circles. You can see it has a common center and equidistant, and each and every point are equidistant from each other. See, all these are the concentric circles having the center as a common to all the circles. Okay. And this is a geoboard. See, you can form the squares, triangles by tying a thread here, and we can form the shapes to show you how the square is formed, how the rectangle, everything is formed. And these are the sets that are there. And you are going to learn about the circle and its parts here. Okay. I hope everyone has understood. Yes, let us move on to our lattice again. Let us see this 3 by 2 multiplication. Okay, 3 by 2 multiplication. So here I am going to explain you. It's a 3-digit number 658 multiplied by 47. How we are going to multiply this through lattice multiplication? First we will write 658 at the top and 47 at the bottom. And this is a lattice bisection. Here first we need to multiply this 4 with 8. 4 8s is 32. So 32 is written like this. Next 4 5s is how much? 20. So 2 0 20 we should write here. So 4 6 is 24. Now with 4 we have completed. Now let us move on to with 7. 7 8s are 56. So 5 6 56 we should write here. 7 5s are 35. 3 5 35. 7 6 are 42. Now we have to add diagonal digits. 6 here, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 carry forward 1 will be there. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so this completes this diagonal. Now move on here. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 again 0 here, carry forward 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so here 6 and 58 into 47 gives you 30,926. Okay, I hope you understood this. So let us move on to our sets. Yes, children. So these are the geometrical shapes. And in this box we have all the geometrical shapes which you are seeing in your geometry box. So these are the set squares. See, these two are the set squares. See, having readings on the scale on the sets, right? And this is a protractor. It looks like a semicircle having readings from 0 to 180. Because it is a half circle, no? So up to 180 only the readings will be there. Okay, from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, like that up to 180 will be there. Okay, and this is the readings from 0 to 180 in another direction. Okay, so these are this is a compass. It can hold a pencil to draw the circles by keeping this needle without moving constantly, and we'll draw a circle. See here. And the needle of this chalk and the needle of the compass should be equal. Then only we can draw complete circle. Am I clear? Yes. Now using this we can draw a complete circle. See how to draw a circle I am showing you. Watch everyone. See how the circle form. By keeping the needle of the compass constantly without moving it, I have drawn. And now this is a semicircle. This semicircle this is called the diameter of the circle, which divides the circle into two equal parts. Okay, and I am bisecting this circle into 4 parts. Each part is called as a sector, and this is called the arc of the circle. Okay, this is the sector, each sector. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, in a circle we have 4 equal sectors. Okay, and this is the distance from the center of the circle to the point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. So that means when the radius is made 2 times, that means 2 times of the radius is equal to the diameter of the circle. So this diameter of the circle passes through the points on the circle from the center. Okay, and this is the divider. Okay, you can observe in your COMSIS box, right? Okay, yes, and this is about the abacus. Okay, it has the place values, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, and this is about the scale to draw the lines. Okay, and the readings on the scale will be in centimeters only. Okay, let us have a complete look from each and every corner of our Max lab. I'll show you some of the tricks here in the Max. Let us try once. See, these are all the pictures clearly given, and what you are observing here is your thinking capability. See here, right? Okay. Yes, children, please see each and every corner. There are so many tricks to learn in mathematics. In number system, there is a law related to pictures. What is that law? See, this is a number line. How it is going, moving forward or backward. Yes? See each and every corner. What chapter is going in this classroom? All are related to circles only, right? So it is a funly introduced for you to learn. So maths logic, using logics, you are going to solve some of the puzzles here. See how to solve these problems. You should learn each and everything. Connect to the word with symbols. And guess here, confusion. See how colorfully given for you to learn. Are you showing eagerness to learn or not? Yes, by the name left, pictures is being related to. And there are some number cards. Children, you are going to learn your numbers right from 0, 1, 2, 3. So using these number cards, we are going to form a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, right? See, all these number cards are colorfully shown to you. And regarding the fractions also, you are going to learn in this class, right? Yes. See, this is a 5/10 fraction. 5/10. This is 5/9 fraction, means 5/9. Okay, this is 5/9. And this is 5/8. So 8 parts total, 5 parts have been colored. That is why 5/8. The 8 gives you the total parts. And this is 5/7. Total is 7 parts and 5 parts have been colored. Right? 5/7. Okay. This is 5/6, like that. So many fractions are there for you to learn practically. Okay, this is 4/6. Means total parts are 6 and in that 4 parts are colored. See. Okay, this is 4/6. Yes, like that all the fractions are colorfully given for you to learn. So these are all useful for you in your day-to-day life to learn more and more about maths. Okay? So basic concepts of maths is very essential for each and every child. So I hope everyone has followed our lab and you are going to learn and more in our lab. So welcome to the Besant School and learn more and more mathematics in a fun way. Thank you for everyone. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day, children. Thank you. Complete look have a children. Okay. All the best, children.